Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery in a Maserati Levante key fob. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need one new CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common 3-volt battery. Additionally, grab a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin, as either will help you gently pry open the fob. Having a clean, well-lit area is also crucial to keep track of all the tiny components. Now that you have your tools ready, let's carefully open the key fob. Look for a small indentation or slot, usually found on the side of the fob where the two halves meet. Take your small flathead screwdriver or coin and insert it into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery nestled in its compartment. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It might be held by small clips. Before inserting the new one, observe the orientation of the old battery, noting which side was facing up. The positive side, marked with a plus sign, typically faces upwards. Now, carefully place your new 3-volt CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring correct orientation. Almost done. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the internal components are properly seated before you press the halves firmly together. You should hear a satisfying click, confirming that the casing is securely closed. Finally, it's time to test your work. Head over to your Maserati Levante and try locking and unlocking the doors to ensure the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.